the lab system has an integrated centralized account management. To get into this account management as user, you can use the registration form or the mass subscription, as I've shown you in the other screencast. Yeah, as usual, the account management is available for the users as well, so that they can change their data. And yeah, so maybe let's check the password reminder. So I will do it on our page here, because this one is set up for productivity, and the other page I just set it up for demonstration use. So this is the usual login, where I can log in, and yeah, if I have forgotten the password or if I want to change my data, I go to the administration interface. So this is the user admin page, and yeah, so if I forget my password, I can just put it here, and then as a student I can just put my email address, and then I can press submit, and then it sends me a new password, and indeed I received an email, and yeah, this email here tells me my new password, and so I can log in with a new password now. So let's do that. So I'm still on the user admin page, and so when I log in now using the new password, yeah, then okay, I have my more rights now. So let's check if I'm just a normal user. Okay, then I am more or less that. So as you can see, so you start here, and then you can change your data here. You can change your email address, you log in, and you can change also these things you provided here if you have also your immatriculation number or something like that. And you can also change your password. So I change my password now. Okay, good. Alright, yeah, so this is what you can do. And so let's have a look at it now from the administrator point of view. So I will not do it in this system, because here we have all our students. So we have several hundred students in the system now, and it works quite well. So I will do it on the demonstration page. So yeah, I will do the same here. I will go here to the administration. So here I left it red, and so I'll get in now. And yeah, so now I will go to manage users here. It's below admin. And to manage users, you have to have the right to administrate users at the user administration interface. Okay, and so here you see now the users. So this is the user we registered last time, and yeah, as you can see, we can filter here. So Patrice is not in the UA, for instance, so like this. Then we can push here. When we press this, then we get the current view, so the current users as a CSV. So this is quite useful if you want to make a list for the grades or something like that outside the system. Then you can use this CSV. You get all the necessary information, like the email addresses and stuff like that. And you can just look at it at Excel, in Excel, for instance. So I will have a look at it. So let's just open it in Excel. Wait a second. So now it's opening, and yeah, so here you see now, okay. See now the last change. So this is, for instance, when people registered, and here you also see where they registered for, and then you get all the information. And if you want to make a mass mailing or something, you can just copy the mail addresses from here. So we use this list at the first meeting, for instance, to assign the teams and stuff like that, and backcheck the email addresses. Okay, yeah, then you can assign the students to courses here, and yeah, so each student just has one account, and you can of course also delete them. And yeah, each student has just one account, and you can assign the student to the courses you want to assign them, so by just putting the check mark to the configuration of the instance you want to assign them to. And yeah, so here they just have their authentication information, and now I will log out, and I will go back to the usual instance, and I will log in here again. So let's get in here. And yeah, as I assigned my newly registered user to this instance, let's check his rights. And so here you see, okay, this user get automatically added, and he get the rights specified in the configuration file as starting rights. And here I could set him different rights now, and I could assign the team and something like that. So this is what you would usually do. And yeah, if you want to get this user out of the instance again, then you have to go to the administration page again. So to the red one, let's get there again, and log in there, and then you simply remove the check mark from this user. So let's check it. Okay, I have no idea why I lost the rights right now. Okay, so let's set the rights again. Apply. So, okay. Yeah, when I go to the manage users right now, and I remove the user from this demo instance here, apply, and I log out again, and go to the blue page again. And then I'll log in here. And then you will see now that the user is not there anymore, so it was removed from the instance here. The connection between the user here and the other database is that way that each user has a unique ID, and all data in this system is only stored by the ID. So if you remove the user, you can only know which user it was by looking at the history of elements the user worked with, because there we will find the name the user had at the time he worked at some stuff. But basically it's a separation between the authentication token you get, like when you authenticate it, like this number, and all the information here is always taken from the user database. So if the user changes his name or his username or his password or something, then it's automatically reflected in all instances. And the rights for the instance are set within the instance and not within the in the user admin page. Okay, so I hope you get some insight into the user management, and yeah, we use it for almost 10 years now, and it works very well. Okay, so enjoy the system.